walking.
You're cheating.
There you go.
Good job.
There you go. Ready? Come on. Do I need to do it like they do little animals, you know? Come on, get your bee. Get it. Oh. There you go. Come on. Come on. Get your, oh. Where's the solid one?
Yeah, I think that penguin is easier.
There she goes. Not even helping her. Good job.
Yay!
Come on. Brenda, come get your bee. Brenda. Now she's all involved in that one. Come on. Come get this one. Where's your bee? Come on. There he is. Here's Steve's bee. Get your bee. There you go. There you go. Ready? There you go.
There she goes.
There you go. There you go. Good job. Good job. Come this way. Oh. I got it. Got my bee.
Go, baby, go.
Here, I'm gonna turn.
She's walking by herself. That's awesome. Where's the zoom thing?
Yeah.
Oh, wrong way.
You happy, huh? You all proud of yourself, huh?
It's all super close.
Now let's back up. Let's see how far you can go. Okay, ready? Set, push. Go. 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 Go.
Come here, Brenna. Come here, Brenna. Come here, honey. Good job. You're getting a little ahead of yourself. Okay, careful on that.
Did pretty well there.
Almost. Good job, honey. Good job.
There, I think that's cute.